How's it going, everyone? In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to easily apply for a membership at Costco. So in order to begin, simply head over to the Costco website at costco.com. Then once you're there, you can then tap sign in or register in the top right corner. And if you're new to Costco, you can then follow the prompts to create a new membership account. Then go ahead and select the membership type that best fits your needs. This could be an executive membership, which offers 2% rewards on purchases and additional discounts, and the Gold Star membership, which includes online and in-store shopping, 2 cards, and the satisfaction guarantee. So once you've made your selection, you can then follow the on-screen instructions to complete your membership purchase. So if you frequently shop at Costco or plan to make bulk purchases, the executive membership might be worth the extra cost. So make sure to enjoy exclusive discounts, services, and access to Costco's wide range of products. So that's simply how to apply for a Costco membership. So if you found this insightful, please consider supporting the channel by leaving a like, a comment, and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you in the next one.